Photoshop is a huge program and learning it can be long and hard. But what if you could eat that elephant bite by bite, learning only what's practical and see immediate results of your efforts?
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
Well, hi there, my name is David Tuminski and this course is an opportunity for you to learn the practical Photoshop. Inside you will find the essentials of how to get started with Photoshop and make your photos look great. You'll learn how to use Photoshop's interface and not get a headache from looking at it. How to quickly get the photos in the same size for your family album, Facebook album, or for your next business presentation. You'll learn how to make your photo look awesome in just a few easy steps. Now, this course is an opportunity for you to start learning Photoshop the right way and see what you can achieve with the program in just a few minutes. You can finally make your photos look great with some simple techniques and without any prior Photoshop knowledge. So enroll in the course and see you inside.